each and every one of you are absolutely fine. So here I am with my another amazing video, and in this video I am give you a quick disclaimer that I am in this video not going to any kind of grammar knowledge, any kind of spoken English knowledge. In this video I am going to guide you about that how you can be fluent in English within a 10 days. One thing that you have to keep in your mind that to become fluent in English, you have to be consistent with your practice in English. Yes, this is a very common thing, very simple thing that you have heard right, that if you will practice daily at least a 10 minutes a day, then it will work like golden change in your life. Because there are many people that watches lots of English videos but still they can't speak English fluently because of they show off, because they don't use simple things. They always clusters a lot of advanced words, advanced sentences. They start with the very simple things, but they used to speak with the hi-fi English words, and when they are trying to speak hi-fi words and English sentences in front of the people, they always stuck because they want to become a fluent speaker, but their mind has a lots of clusters of all the words, sentences, phrases and all the advanced verbs, which are not that much useful, guys, because our main goal is to become fluent in English. And that's why I have told in my various videos, in my all previous videos, I have proposed that if you want to become fluent in English, then one thing that you can do at your home just to practice English, and no nothing that you can become fluent in English. And what you can do, just open the camera, just record your audio and just see and just say everything whatever that you have done in your day. You have just to speak out loud and you have to describe the things that whatever you have did a whole day. Whatever the things that you have done throughout your whole life, just describe it in English. And nothing that you be like, nobody can just stop you to become fluent in English. This is the very key things, this is a very simple thing that everyone knows but don't follow anybody else. And because of that, I am focusing to improve this. And because of that, I have to make this video to specifically to tell about this a golden rule, these are golden things. Understand? So that's for today, guys. If this video is really helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.